Hello everyone, this is Asha Ajwani from DJ Sangvi College of Engineering, Department of Electronics. This is a third experiment for the subject design with linear integrated circuits, which is design of an integrator using op-amp OP07 and plotting its frequency response. So the design parameters which I've used for the integrator are as follows. I've chosen FA as 1 kHz and FB as 10 kHz. Assuming CF is 15.9 nanofarads, we substitute the known values in this equation and we get the value of RF as 10 kilo ohms. And similarly, substituting the known values in this equation, we get the value of R1 is 1 kilo ohms. So this is the diagram of a practical integrator. We are giving a sine wave input at the inverting terminal via a resistor, and this is the feedback network, a capacitor and a resistor. And the design values are such that FA is equal to 1 kHz and FB is equal to 10 kHz. Now in order to run the circuit, we click on simulate and edit simulation card. I'll select AC analysis. Type of sweep will be decade. Number of points I'll set it to 1000. We'll start at 1 kilohertz, 1 hertz, and the stop frequency will be 100 kilohertz. And click on OK. I'll place it here. Now to run the simulation, I click on this icon. This is the output window. We'll maximize this. So this is the frequency response and this is the phase response of an integrator. We can see that initially the gain is constant, and at a specific frequency, which is 1 kilohertz, the gain is 3 dB below the maximum dB, that is a maximum gain, and the frequency at which the gain is 0 dB is called FB, which is 10 kilohertz, and it is in synchronous to the design values, and it goes on decreasing at very high frequencies. So I have ran the circuit for several different input waveforms and saved it in a file. So let's jump to that file and see what their output voltages and the output waveforms are. So this is the schematic which is used for plotting the frequency response, and this is the schematic for transient analysis. Now this is the observation table, and for different values of frequency we observe the different values of the output voltage. This is the gain and this is the gain in dB. Now for different input voltages we get a different waveform at the output. So for a sine wave input for which is 2 volt peak to peak, we get a cosine wave at the output, which is the green colored waveform. Similarly, for a square wave input, we get a triangular wave, which is blue in color. And for a triangular waveform, we get a sine wave as the output. And this is the frequency response and the phase response as we saw in the simulation. Thank you.